What's up, guys? We out here today about to take this bike apart that Star wrecked on Halloween, and this was the result of it. So we are gonna take it apart and see what kind of damage there is. So Star, you want to tell everybody how it felt wrecking?
Sad, scary.
Aww. Just glad that you're okay and that nothing happened to you. Can you still see your scars?
Just this one. And
Where's the
then
baggie?
right here. You can barely see the one on the hip anymore.
The good thing is that she didn't get it as bad as the bike, guys. That's what matters, right?
Hey, go get the key.
Okay.
Get the bag. Are they all gonna be the same size, or does it matter? Oh,
We'll
that's
find
not
out.
the same.
Yes, you know, it is connected.
There's some wire somewhere.
Hold the cover.
And also there's wires all right here too.
There's a light right here connected in the back.
A what?
A light. Are you gonna take this off?
I'll get that off with the screwdriver.
Just put it over here for now.
Oh look, right here. This is what.
Oh, that's just the cooling reservoir.
Yeah, it was just
Go
that.
get me a screwdriver. A flat one. Can you see that?
Whoa, guys. If you have not ever seen a Ninja 400 2020 and its original just frame without the fairings, well, here is the first time. Enjoy.
Why was it leaking? Where would it be leaking from?
Ham, is that too big?
Well,
Here, let me go find them a small one.
what's you? Oh no, that's
I usually know. What's up?
if I had it.
Dang. There's a whole front piece. Let's see it.
Very good.
Son of a bitch. Hold this.
Here you guys have it. All the fairings have been taken out. It looks pretty crazy. It looks pretty amazing. Check it out. That is pretty nice. So if you guys want to keep watching and see what this bike's gonna end up looking like, just keep watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. And thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.